Welcome, carving enthusiasts, to another captivating episode of Beavercraft's weekly tutorials. Today we're delving into the charming and whimsical world of Easter celebrations with a project that combines the joy of the season with the artistry of wood carving. In this special episode, we're taking on an enchanting challenge that's perfect for the season, transforming a simple block of wood into an exquisite Easter bunny, an essential figure in Easter traditions. Before we dive into the whittling process, let's discuss the essential tools and materials you'll need to bring this Easter bunny wood carving to life. We'll be working with a 4x2 by 2 inches block of basswood, which is excellent for beginner wood carving projects like this one. To attach our pattern to the wood, we're using tight bond glue, ensuring that our blueprint stays in place throughout the carving process. Now let's embark on this creative journey together. We'll guide you step by step through the process of carving your very own Easter bunny, offering helpful tips and tricks along the way, particularly geared towards whittling for beginners. Our challenge today is to sculpt a delightful Easter bunny from our block of wood. This task, while playful, will test your skills, making it one of the more intriguing whittling projects for beginners. Envision the bunny's silhouette within your wood block and begin sketching the outline on its surface to guide your carving. As you start to shape the wood, focus on the gradual contours of the bunny, paying special attention to hallmark features like its ears and fluffy tail. If you're not yet part of our community, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our delightful carving adventures using top-notch wood carving knives. For those new to wood whittling, remember to manage the depth of your cuts carefully and maintain symmetry to bring out the character of your Easter bunny. Understanding the wood's grain direction is crucial to avoid splintering. Carve with the grain to achieve smoother cuts and a refined finish. Remember, each project is an opportunity to improve your skills in the wood carving art. Embrace the learning curve and don't be discouraged by minor setbacks. Whether you're a seasoned carver or just beginning, approach this Easter Bunny wood carving project with enthusiasm and creativity. We encourage you to share your progress and any challenges you face in the comments below, fostering a supportive carving community. Thank you for joining us on this delightful Easter-themed carving journey. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, share it with fellow carving enthusiasts, and subscribe for more engaging wood carving projects. Connect with us on social media and don't hesitate to share your own carving creations and ideas in the comments below. Happy carving and have a wonderful Easter!